Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Got a jam-packed video for you guys today. Gonna go over the portfolio, show you how much I got paid yesterday. Then I'm gonna take you behind the scenes into the spreadsheet, show you how everything's really performing behind the scenes so you can see all the ins and outs, the ups and downs and all that good stuff. And also, I just started a brand new Dividend Nomad newsletter that I'm gonna be sending out to you guys if you want it. And if you sign up for it's free. If you want to sign up for the free newsletter, you'll also get a free dividend tracker spreadsheet, the same one that I'm going to show you in my video today. I just changed it a little bit, added a few things to it. So anyway, you guys want that, grab it in the link below, 100% for free. Anyway, let's get into the phone and I'm going to share with you guys my portfolio. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, let's open up Charles Schwab. I'll refresh it for you. Right now, it's 7 o'clock in the morning here in China on Saturday. So it's still moving around a little bit, but not much. We can see the Dow was pretty much flat, NASDAQ down 0.5%, S&P down about 0.25%. My portfolio is basically flat. So let's go see what's going on here. Let's go to the view all the positions. Okay, I'll refresh it for you guys. $64,432 is the value of my portfolio. So it did drop down a little bit. It was over 65. And if we look here, we've got Misty, 1,080 shares. I've got XDTE, 283 shares. I've got QDTE, 283 shares. YMAG, 473, YBTC 102, and I've got QQQI, which is a new addition to this portfolio. I've got 20 shares of that one. And then if you see at the bottom, we have cash and money market. I put $5,000 into SWVXX, just a place to store some cash. It stays $1 all the time. It never changes. And it's got like a 4.5% interest or something every 7 days. So I do earn some interest on this cash that's just sitting there. And then if you look at the very bottom, I've got a little bit of cash that's ready to be deployed into the market. That's $26.99 in cash. This $5,000 in this money market fund, it's basically cash. It's not going to change in value other than earn interest. But because this is a money market fund or a mutual fund, right? Like I can't access this immediately. Like if I want to sell it, I could like push the sell now, but it's not going to sell until the end of the day, so that cash won't be available to the next trading day. So, you know, be careful with that if you think you might need cash immediately, which I don't, because I have margin on I'm not using margin, but I have margin availability. So if I use this $26.99 in cash, I can just use margin and then sell my SWVXX to get that cash to pay the margin back if I need to do that. If I need cash like immediately. So that's what I got there. So let's go check out the history really quick. I'll show you what happened yesterday. So yesterday we see I got several stocks here. XDTE at the very top. They paid me $62.74. That money was reinvested back into XDTE. It's on drip. QDTE paid me $65 and oh no it didn't. Sorry. If you go down to the bottom, QDTE paid me $57.53. But I bought two more shares of QDTE. I don't know why I did that, but $68.60. I guess because it was down, I wanted to get a couple more shares and average down. YBTC paid me $20.54. So that's how much I got paid yesterday. Let's go look at the spreadsheet. There's just more details in there and I can show you everything and we'll get a clearer picture of what's really going on. So I'm going to take you into my computer here and show the spreadsheet to you. So let's do a screen recording on the computer. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. So here we are in the spreadsheet. Now, again, if you want the spreadsheet, just go to the link below, give it to you. You'll get a free newsletter. Probably check your spam inbox, so it'll probably get sent to your spam. That's how those things usually work. But anyway, just go down there and I'll send it to you guys. So here we are. You can see Misty 2014 is my cost. It's the same stuff that's in my portfolio. Nothing's different here. QQI 20 shares, 51.19. YMAG 473. XDDQT, YBTC. So you can see them all there. Everything's there. And then if you look here to the right side, we're going to look at the returns, the market return, total return, all that good stuff, so you guys can see what's going on. I'm not going to go over this day change with you because it was just for today, so it's not really that relevant in the scheme of things. And we also, you see 52-week highs on those in the range where it's trading at right now. Look, Misty's down here to 52-week low, almost. If you keep going, here we go. This is what I want to show you guys, the returns. Let me get it all on the screen so it's easier to see. Okay, here we go. So you can see at the very top, let me just put a box around it. How about that? Misty, market return is down $3,700, but on total return, we're up $9,000. So if I sold Misty right now and walked away from it, I'd walk out with $9,000 more than I started with. And that the start in terms of total return is 34%. So 34% return is pretty good. I'm happy with that. And then if you look over here to the far right, you can see the portfolio allocation is actually 34% of this portfolio. So it's a large percent of this portfolio. And I'm trying to change that. I'm working on slowly changing that and building up a bigger position in some other things. So we'll be doing that here in the future. The second one, QQQI, you can see this one is it's negative across the board, but this is a brand new position. I just started. I've never received any dividends and nothing like that in it. And this, like I said, brand new position. So we're down 0.25%, so not much. And it's only 1.58% of the portfolio, but I plan to make this a much larger position. It just takes some time to build it out because there's not much money in here right now. And also, it's trading at almost all-time highs, so I'm being cautious about putting too much money into the market right now. I'm kind of waiting for a chance, like a pullback chance to buy more. So in the meantime, I'm putting money on things that I'm actually down in. YMAG, you can see here, the market return is $15.89, negative $15.89. Total return, negative $2.45. And market, negative 18, total return, minus 2.84%. I was so close to getting rid of this, man. It was like 0.7% or something down, and I should have sold it because I was only down like $60 or $50, and I kept telling myself, just go ahead and take the loss. And I said, yeah, I'll wait and get paid. I waited, and it dropped more and more and more. What can you do? This one didn't pay me yesterday because Yomax changed their dividend payout schedule because of the Juneteenth holiday. So I will get paid from this one, I think, on Monday. So when I get paid on Monday, hopefully this fixes this situation a little bit better. XDTE, you can see here, we are market return down $1,000. Total return, we're up $13. Yay. Total return is up 0.1%. So we're pretty much flat. We're about flat on this one. This one is on drip. Now you can see these up here, this 34%, and this one right here, this 22%, 4%. Those are not on drip. I set a rule for myself. If I'm up 4% or more in total return, I turn the drip off and pocket those dividends and allocate them somewhere else. If I'm down, if I'm total return is less than 4%, then I leave it on drip. So that's why that XETE is on drip right now and just dripping those dividends, and YMAG as well. Anyway, let's go to QDTE. You can see here, total return is $436 or 4.37%. So we're up above that 4% rule that I set for myself. That's why this one is not on drip. YBTC, total return is $900 and the market return is $499. So we're positive all across the board on this one, which is pretty good. And that's a 22% total return and a 12% on the market return. So this one's doing pretty good too. So again, look here on the right, you can see the allocation is 34%, 1%, YMAX 10%. I'm looking to eliminate this one though. XDTE 18, QDTE 14, YBTC 7. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over all this other stuff. You guys can check that out in the spreadsheet yourself when you download it. Let me see. Let's go check out the dividend log and look at our payments we've got. So here is the dividend log, and you can see how much time I've been getting paid from all these stocks here. Not very long. Now, if you look down here, let's go check this out. This right now is the month of June, and Misty paid us $15.88 this month. They're not going to pay again until July, so we won't get paid from them anymore this month. QQQI, I don't even know when the X date is on this. I thought it was the end of the month, but I might be wrong. I'll have to look that up for you guys. I haven't even checked into when the pay date and X date is. So I may or may not get it paid here. I'm not sure yet. YMAG has paid me $178.68 this month. I'll get paid on Monday, and I'll also get paid on Friday. So I'm gonna get paid 2 more payments from them in the next coming week. So that's a good thing. Hopefully this will get this up over close to $300 maybe. Hopefully, we'll see. I'm not sure. XDTE, 186 for the month. I got 1 more payment coming from them this month, so that'll get us over 200. QDTE, 156 for the month. Again, I'll be getting paid from them 1 more time, so that's probably going to get us about $200 maybe. The volatility has been down a little bit. Plus this month here, this big month, we had an extra week, so that's why these are much bigger actually, because I had a whole extra week of payments. And then what's next? YBTC paid me $84.61 so far, and still got 1 more payment coming from them too. So I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more payments for sure. And if QQQI pays, I'll get 6 payments before the month is over. But I'll have to check on QQQI. I'm not sure yet. Let me go see here. So far for the month of June, you can see we've got $2,195. So not too bad. For the year, that brings me to $12,560 in total for the year. So yeah, we're not doing too bad, I guess. $2,100 for the month so far. Still got 5 or 6 payments left. So this should be close to, I don't know, let's go have a look. Let's just call this, say 50. We'll probably get another 50 out of that. Maybe 25, 75, maybe 200, maybe $300 more, $200 or $300 more. Maybe might get 2,500 this month, maybe. So yeah, that's really all I got for you guys today. And if you want to check out QQI, I can check it out real quick if you want to stay. But if not, click the link below, sign up to the free newsletter, and get the free dividend tracker as well. And let's go check out NEOS QQI if you're still here. And we'll see when the X date is, just for fun. Oh, SPYI should be the same. QQI. Look. Best new active ETF. Okay, let's go check it out. Can I see it? Hey. Oh, I can't. Okay, well, let's look here. QQQI. Let's go see. Wait. Why can't you click on it here? That's stupid. All right, we'll just go click on it up here. QQQI. Let's see when is the distribution calendar. That's what we're looking for. Just out of curiosity. Declaration date. This is June. Oh, look at this. So for QQI, declaration date is 6/24. So you have to be in the stock by 6/24 to get paid. The ex-div date is 6/25. So that's when they'll actually deduct the dividend payment out of the NAV, out of the stock price. And that's the record date. And then on 6/27, I'll get paid. So I will get a QQQI payment this month. So we can just confirm 6 payments for the month of June left for me. So yeah, so this blank space you see here, we'll get something there, but not much because I got like 20 shares, but we'll get a little bit of money there. So anyway, that's what's going on there in my portfolio. Added a few shares, looking to buy more stuff. I'm just kind of waiting on the market, see what's going on there. And that's really all I got for you guys today. So you want the spreadsheet, grab it down below, and you can join the Discord if you want. I'm not in there very much, but I'm trying to be in there more often, and also share my stuff I do in my portfolio and stuff, I'll try to share that over there as well. So if you want to get in there too. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.